We are jumping right into changing fonts in CapCut on your PC so you can instantly upgrade your video styling. First, you need to open up your project and click directly on the text layer in your timeline that you want to customize. Once you click on it, move your mouse over to the top right corner of the CapCut user interface, where the Details panel is located. Make sure you are under the Text tab and then click on Basic Options. Right below your text input box, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Font, which usually defaults to System. Click on that drop-down menu to reveal the full font selection interface. Inside this menu, you will see two main categories labeled All and Commercial. If you choose to look under the Commercial category, CapCut will filter out everything except fonts that are legally cleared for commercial use. Now, that goes both ways. By filtering for commercial fonts, you ensure your monetized videos are safe from copyright strikes, but you also lose access to a massive library of stylized creative fonts that are strictly for personal use. The important thing is to scroll down further to explore subcategories like recently used, preset, and your own system fonts. If you see a font you like, hover over it and click the small download arrow on the right side if it is not already saved locally. Once the font downloads, click directly on the font name to instantly apply it to your selected text in the preview window. If you scroll through the entire list and still do not find the exact look you want, you can download a custom font from the internet. Install it onto your computer, restart CapCut, and it will automatically appear inside that system section. In my case, I use bold sans serif fonts to make my titles pop, but you can select whatever matches your video style. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.